The impacts of climate change are all around us, and as we continue to experience more frequent and more intense heat, wildfire, flooding, and drought, the strategy offers the hope and optimism that we need here in BC right now.
The Climate Preparedness and Adaptation Strategy is a suite of actions that support our understanding for how the changing climate is actually going to impact the things that we value and the things that we do as governments and society. And then it sets out a suite of actions to help us address those impacts.
The plan is a living document and changes on the annual basis, and it changes to the ever-changing climate events that are occurring.
For many years, climate change has been viewed and framed as an environmental issue, but increasingly we're seeing that climate change is critical to our health and wellness. And First Nations, Métis, and Inuit have long recognized this connection between human health and the health of the environment. So we work closely through Climate Action Secretariat and other partner ministries participating in the strategy to work to integrate health considerations into their actions.
The strategy resulted in about $300 million in new funding. When we first started this work in 2019, there were 4 ministries that had climate adaptation programs. When we finished, we had 12 ministries. That was probably one of the most rewarding things, is just to see those program areas that maybe hadn't thought about climate adaptation before, who are now enthusiastic partners and really embracing that work in their own program areas and moving it forward. The Surrey Living Dike project is exactly one of those projects where First Nations and local governments are working together with scientists to understand how we can use nature and engineering together to help to prevent flood risk for the city.
The work has allowed us to look at the adaptation strategy through an Indigenous lens and also add traditional knowledge and actions from Indigenous perspectives to the plan.
Being a part of this strategy has been a highlight of my career. It's one of the most challenging and rewarding initiatives I've ever been a part of.
We're not asking people to completely change the way they do things. We're asking them to consider new information and to think about weather and climate in a new and different way.